y'all. So I just recently picked up something that I learned how to do, and that is braiding my hair. It took me 3 days to finish because I have a baby. When he sleeps, I would just start doing my hair, braiding. But since I learned how to do it, I want to show y'all how to do it so you can be doing your own hair and you wouldn't have to depend on other people to do your hair. So it isn't perfect, but it's definitely good enough. So I left 2 braids so I can show y'all how to do it. I'm gonna actually start off by this one. It's better to do the back braids first so you can see them. So I'm gonna start by gelling the root down. And these combs are so easy for parting. I'm just learning as I go, honestly. I have watched the, what do you call it? The knotless braids. I cannot do it. So I just kept braiding one braid until I got it down and I finished the rest of my hair. When you do this, it's so much easier to have something, like make sure you grab all of the hairs first and separate it. It'll be so much easier. But I didn't do that, so I'm separating it as I go, and that's what makes me have small braids, big braids everywhere. So that's the #1 step. And I start by holding it like this, and I grab a hold of my hair and twist it, and I think it's better to just show. I'd start by regular braiding it just once, and then I will grab some of the weave and put it with my hair and then braid it down.
And before I go all the way down, I would check to make sure that's how I want it. Which really, the closer I got to the front, I started being lazy. So, it's like, it doesn't matter anymore. I'm just trying to finish it. I can redo one later. I'm most likely going to redo it, but that was good enough for me. And you just keep braiding. Also, I found out to have meter braids is to braid closer up.
Braid as far down as you can, because you're gonna have to re-braid them at the end anyway. So I just braid down as far as I can, as far as I feel like it for that braid. It's my last braid. So I start by gelling it down. I use this Shine and Jam to gel it down. Start once by a regular braid, Once you do that, you get some of the hair and put it towards your hair, and that way you have the 3 sections and you can start braiding.